Okay, let me continue with two more examples. So I'm going to do a circle. Create a circle class. And when you're looking at the diagram, the circle has one data field. Again, I'm going to use double data type. And then I will declare methods. There will be two methods. One is set radius and then get radius. Assigning new radius, which is double type. With a new value. We get the return value from object. So we say double get radius return radius. This time I will show you how to declare object reference variable, then assign object to object reference variable. Circle my circle. Then I'm going to construct object, then assign to my circle, which is object reference variable. New circle is a constructor. We can reference objects data using my circle dot then data field. This is not recommended. Eventually we don't do that. But let me just demonstrate it, whether it can be done or not. Invoking objects methods. You're looking at get and set methods. Belongs to circle class. Set radius. Then get radius. So get radius will return the value radius, then print it out. Zero point 0, 5.0, that's correct. Let me visualize it using object diagram. So we have object reference variable point to circle class. Object reference variable is my circle, and circle object has a radius which is initially 0.0. Then we are setting a new radius. So set radius new value 5.0. Now we can get that value back using get radius methods. Okay, let me look at one more example. Okay, that's the small circle. Radius is 5. Let's look at the area of my circle. We are looking at shade area or inside the circle. Formula is based on radius multiplied by radius multiplied by pi value pi value is 3.14. I think 159 and continue. Let's calculate the get area. Calculate area of a circle. Again, radius, we can get it using object reference variable and then dot operator with get radius method multiply by another radius. then 3.14159, which is pi value. Then we can print it out. Output shows us that 78.5. Let me show you another way of calculating area. We can invoke getArea methods. I will define it later on in circle class. So here we can say myCircle dot getArea. Again, we haven't finished that getArea method, so we go back to myCircle, circle class. Then here we create one method. Radius multiplied by radius multiplied by 314159. Again, we need to say return. So we can see the identical answer. One of them we can use another additional method called getArea. Let's go back to circle class again. Same as invoking radius data field in circle lab, we can actually use math.py, that is a constants, belongs to math library or math class. So that's going to return 3.14159, more accurate value or precise value. Now you can see that more precise value shows up on screen. Again, I'm going to do exactly the same thing with a rectangle. If you can, please stop video clips and then try to continue by yourself. Again, let me create a rectangle class. Again, I'm going to declare two data fields. One is width and height. And then we are going to have two pair of get and set methods that match with the two data fields. Again, I will copy here, paste it, and then change the name. Okay. Again, let me visualize it one more time. So we have my rectangle object. We have a rectangle class. So rectangle object has two variables, height and width. This time I will put 1.0 rather than initial value 0.0. So let me go back to source code and then change to 1.0. And then here double get area of rectangle. So rectangle app. Let me declare and create rectangle object in one step. So my rectangle equal new and rectangle. Then let me call rectangle. Set width. Also let me set height. Typo. My rectangle dot get area. So 100. We can actually get the input from user. So let me introduce then the input device again using scanner class. Import scanner class. Let me add one message. Then let me get that value using one variable called width with the input next double. Then we can put it here. Next one. Actually, we can do it in one step directly. So here we can say that input next double, because we know that there will be height. The calculation will be same. Ten, 100. Okay, that's all. Thank you.